So Ave Maria angels, all wearing long white dresses with wings to make them look like angels. Each one carries a letter to complete the word Ave Maria. So once again, please welcome our Ave Maria angels. Ave Maria angels is Iris Joy Bustos, Charles Jimmy, Jeremy Jazarel Altea Jamaica Nolias, Lexa Sierra, Lexi Gailey, Arian Julia Balingit, and Casey Malyar. Next, Reina Fe. Reina Fe symbolizes the virtue of faith, the first of the theological virtues. She wears a white dress and carries a cross. So once again, our Reina Fe, Miss Cora Ramos, CPC Palimpe. So next, Corazon de Maria. So Corazon de Maria, Marian title, celebrating the many titles of Virgin Mary. She carries a pink heart that symbolizes the heart of Mary. So once again, our Corazon de Maria, Heart of Mary, Miss Leonie R. Bonifacio, SMAP Convent. Next, Methuselah. So Methuselah is a bearded, bent with age, riding a cart looking for preoccupied with toasting some grains of sand. In a fan over a fire, this is a reminder that all glitters will end up as dust like what he's toasting. So once again, our Methuselah, Mr. Jonathan Lakap. Next, Reina Banderada. Reina Banderada, a young lady dressed in a long red gown, carrying a yellow triangular flag. She represents the coming of Christianity. So once again, our Reina Banderada, Miss Catriona Calara. Next, Reina Esperanza. Reina Esperanza symbolizes the virtue of hope, the second theological virtue. She wears a white dress and carries an anchor. Once again, please welcome Reina Esperanza, Miss Ela Mercedes Malyari. Next, Reina Caridad. Reina Caridad symbolizes the virtue of charity, the third theological virtue. She wears a white dress and carries a red heart. Once again, our Reina Caridad, Mary Alexa Malyari. Next, Reina Abogada. So Reina Abogada, the defender of the poor and the oppressed. She wears a black graduation cap or toga and gown, and she carries a big book. So once again, our Reina Abogada, Miss Mary Grace F. Laca. Next, Reina Justicia. Reina Justicia, a personification of mirror of justice. She wears a blue dress and carries weighing scale and sword. So please welcome Reina Justicia, Miss Janela Ann Gutierrez. Next, Reina Sheba. Reina Sheba, who visited the famed King Solomon and was overwhelmed by his wisdom, power, and riches. She wears a gold dress and carries a jewelry box. So once again, our Reina Sheba, Miss Lian Emily Ansiete. So next, Reina Judith. Reina Judith, representing Judith of Petulia, who saved her city from Assyrians after she beheaded the cruel Holofernes. She wears a gold dress and carries the head of the beheaded man on the one hand, a sword on the other. So once again, please welcome Reina Judith, Miss Gabrielle Frances P. Uy. Next, Reina Sentenciada. Reina Sentenciada has her slim hands bound by a roof and wearing a red dress. She is the symbol of the innocents who have been convicted. She is accompanied by 2 Roman soldiers. So once again, Reina Sentenciada, Miss Kimberly and Macalino. Next, Reina Esther. Reina Esther, the biblical Jewish who spared the countrymen from the death and destruction. Through timely intervention with the King Xerxes, she wears a gold dress and carries a scepter. Once again, our Reina Esther, Miss Ayla Gwen B. Bonifacio, escorted by Jill Canas. Next, Tres Marias. So Tres Marias, Mary of Magdala, she carries a bottle of perfume, Mary of Mother of Christ. She carries a handkerchief, Mary of Mother of James. She carries a bottle of oil. So once again, our Tres Marias, Miss Jasmine Ignacio Bandana, Miss Katniss S. Parse, and Adi Roman. Next, Divina Pastora. So next, Reina de Los Angeles. So Reina de Los Angeles, dressed in a white, appears and a bucket of flower while escorted by angels. So once again, our Reina de Los Angeles, Miss Zamira B. Manalansan, and escorted by Lance Adrian Bonifacio. Next, Divina Pastora. Divina Pastora, she carries a chef hair dress staff. So once again, our Divina Pastora, LG Ann Bautista. Next, Reina de los Martires. Reina de los Martires, she wears a red dress and holding a palm. So once again, our Reina de los Martires, Miss Nicamin O. Paural, and escorted by Antonio Elmer Bautista, CPC Talba. Next, Rosa Mystica. Rosa Mystica, she carries a bouquet of roses. So once again, our Rosa Mystica, Sister Noemi L. Navarro. Next, Reina del Santísimo Rosario. Reina del Santísimo Rosario displays a huge rosary. So once again, our Reina del Santísimo Rosario, Sister Marta B. Uzi. Next, Reina Candelaria. Reina Candelaria, she carries a long-lit candle symbolizing the purification of Mary. So once again, Reina Candelaria, Kathleen May Alba. Escorted by Prince Kurt Arevalo. Next, Reina de los Patriarchas. So Reina de los Patriarchas, bears of wood and root. So our Reina de los Patriarchas, Dominic Anichete. Reina de las Estrellas. de las Estrellas, she carries a hand with a star. So once again, our Reina de las Estrellas, Pomela Rain V. Valdez. Next, Reina Paz. So Reina Paz, she carries the symbol of peace. So once again, our Reina Paz, Miss Camille Torno Biray, and escorted by Christian Torno Sunga. Next, Reina del Cielo. Reina del Cielo, she carries a flower and she has two angels. So once again, our Reina del Cielo, Miss Kirsten Nicole Alcoy, and escorted by Charles Cedric Tulud, and the angel Kenzie Nico Alcoy. Next, the Samaritana. The Samaritana, the woman who Christ spoke to at the well, she carries a jug of her shoulder. So once again, the Samaritana, Miss Dang Roman, and Miss Jen Kambao and Tam Tam. Next, Reina de las Flores. Reina de las Flores, she carries a bouquet of flowers. So our Reina de las Flores, Miss Lian Blanche Sonsa. Next, Eve escorted by Adam. Eve escorted by Adam, they are holding a branch of apple. They manifest the fall of mankind and the need for a creator to redeem the mankind. So once again, the Eve escorted by Adam, Miss Ashley Casey Biray Sadsad, and escorted by Michael Medina, CPC Bebe Arabia. Next, Reina de las Virgines. Reina de las Virgines, she carries a lily and is surrounded by two little. So our Reina de las Virgines, Miss Jelaine Riva D. Velasquez. Next, Reina Emperatriz. Reina Emperatriz, another representation of Saint Helena, alluding to the imperial. So once again, our Reina Emperatriz, Miss Princess Lynn Malyari Sunga. Next, Reina Helena. Reina Helena, the actual of personification of Saint Helena and always the last biblical figure in the processions. She carries a crucifix in her arms, escorted by a young boy and a Constantine who is dressed in princely raiment. So once again, our Reina Helena, Miss Jean Gabriel Alfonso, Constantine by Sebri Alfonso, escorted by Kier Leandro Alfonso. So our apostle and damas,